Hey guys, in this video I'm going to put together a MotoTote MTX3 motorcycle carrier that we can put on the back of our Buick Enclave to haul our scooter. We have never had any way to do that before, so we bought this and we're going to do that today. Stay tuned! Step one is going to be installing the hitch bar into the receiver. It's a pretty simple process. You slide this in, then you install the bolt. Then you can loosely install the washer and this nut. Step two is to install the crossbar onto this hitch bar. Slide it on, line up the holes, put a flat washer on, then a nut, another flat washer, in the instructions it says to tighten this bolt up until it tightens up against the hitch bar. It goes on loose, but then you're supposed to tighten it until it's where it won't move anymore. So it's super tight, okay? That gets that. We'll go on to step three. Step three is to take this pan and install it up on top of the bar. Then you'll take this tie down bar and it fits underneath. Then you'll take your bolt and line up all the holes, and this goes down in through. And you take two locking nuts and put on these bolts. And they give you a wrench, and you use the same socket, and you'll tighten these down. Not going to tighten everything down totally until we get everything lined up. On to step four. The next step is to install the tire stop. You'll install it on top of this pan, the tire pan here. You use a small bolt with a lock washer. Don't tighten this up yet because you got to set the tire width. Then you'll take your tire holder and slide it underneath this. Then after that, you'll take your other tie down bar and it'll set in here in a slot. Then you take your bolts and slide them, put them down through here. Then you'll take two lock nuts and put them on the bolts. Now you install the ramp, which fits over the tab that we just installed. Then slides over a pin that's over here. Then you got a little clip. You just place it through the hole. And it's locked. And there you go. The only other thing we got left to do is tighten the hitch. Pretty simple process. Okay, that's the installation of the MotoTote MTX3. Okay guys, in the next upcoming videos I will show you how to load our scooter onto this MotoTote MTX3. If you found this video helpful or you liked the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and always have fun camping. We'll talk to you later. Bye.